ALLMAX Nutrition, Caffeine, 200 mg, 100 tablets. Product Overview Description. Science, Innovation, Quality, Results. Professional grade supplements restore mental alertness. Energize your workouts. Dietary Supplement Quality Guarantee, Purity and Potency Tested, cGMP Registered, Facility Lab Tested, every ingredient, every lot vegan vegetarian. Indications: helps temporarily restore mental alertness or wakefulness when experiencing fatigue or drowsiness. Suggested use: take 1 tablet every 3 to 4 hours up to a maximum of 1000 mg, 5 tablets, in 24 hours. Other ingredients: dicalcium phosphate, microcrystalline cellulose, vegetable magnesium stearate, croscarmellose sodium. Allergen warning: produced in a facility that also handles milk, soy, wheat, egg, peanuts, train nuts, fish and shellfish products. Warnings: for occasional use only. Caffeine is not advisable in cases of high blood pressure or pregnancy. Not intended as a substitute for sleep. The recommended dose of this product contains about as much caffeine as a large strong cup of coffee. Limit the amount of caffeine-containing medications, beverages, coffee, tea, colas, or foods, chocolate, as too much caffeine may cause nervousness, irritability, sleeplessness and occasionally, rapid heart rate. Do not use if you are pregnant or nursing. Do not use if the safety seal is missing or broken. Store in a cool, dry place and keep out of direct sunlight. Keep out of reach of children. Not for use by individuals under the age of 18 years. Prop 65. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.